Brittany, and this is Kelsey.
Hi.
We're with Frontier Basement Systems, as you know. Just wanted to introduce Kelsey here. She is our Chief People Officer. So, Kelsey, you have multiple titles or things they call you. What are some others?
Yeah, so HR and recruiting, those are probably the biggest ones, or culture keeper.
Yeah, that's definitely the protector of the culture, that's for sure. So tell me a little bit about what that means for your position.
Yeah, so I do all of the hiring. I look through everyone's resumes that is applying, I post the jobs, I interview the candidates, and then schedule potential second or third interviews. And then if people are having problems with anything, I'm always here to help them with that as well.
What's your favorite part?
Ooh, my favorite part is that I get to be social all the time. That I just get to talk to people.
All right, that's a good one. If somebody were looking for open positions now, where would you direct them?
The best place would be either on our website or on Indeed. If they, if we don't have a position that they're looking for, they can still apply to one that we have open, and we can absolutely keep their resume on file.
Awesome. Well, that's easy enough. I mean, everybody can do that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so talk to me a little bit about hiring and the onboarding process. Is there a kind of quick way you can?
Yeah, so usually we do orientations on Mondays, so just depending on when it's good for the candidate to start and when we have a need for a person, we schedule that, and then onboarding or orientation usually takes one day, and then they go into their training in their specific area after that, and that can be from a month to 2 months to 3 months. Who knows?
Yeah, I will say one thing that I know that we do very differently here than anybody else. Most anyone else would be that round robin that you do first day of orientation.
Yes.
People seem to really like that.
Yes.
Is there a quick snippet to explain that?
Yeah, so round robin is kind of a tour of our company, and it starts with me in HR and in our orientation, and then they go up to marketing, and they travel around to each department in the company to get a little idea of what each department does and what they do for them, which is great. So they get to meet a lot of people.
It's kind of nice because we get to meet them too. So if it's not somebody you're going to be working with every day, to see that new face, like, oh, okay, you belong here, welcome.
Yes,
it is nice.
Absolutely.
To kind of catch everybody and at least be familiar with who they are and catch their names and where they're going to be.
Absolutely.
So, all right, cool. So if we know someone, we're going to direct them to Indeed or the website.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Even if we don't have that open position, still reach out.
Still apply.
So yes. You called it a virtual pitch, but we won't get into that. I think that's kind of the biggest things I was going to ask. What's your number one question you're asked?
Ooh. You get the generic ones of hours and wages, but that's specific to each position, obviously. But the biggest real question I get is about our culture. A lot of people are interested in that, which is great because that's probably our best thing that we have going for us is our family culture, which is great, and everyone loves it. So I get to talk about it all the time.
Well, that's good. That's always exciting. Is there what's a favorite, like, do you have one tip that you would like to just really give out to somebody, whether it's looking for us or maybe just out there in this crazy world looking for a job? What's one tip from your standpoint?
I would say looking at the job requirements, even if you don't think that you have those requirements, still apply, because almost every position we have could be entry level. So we can train you on anything. So even if you don't feel like you meet those requirements, still apply, because you might be the right person for that position, and we can teach the skills.
All right. Well, awesome. Thank you so much. Do you have any things you want to throw out there, questions for me, or?
I don't think so.
Okay. Cool. Well, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
If y'all love Kelsey, let us know, because there's a few other things I might bring her back for, because I'd be interested to have a few conversations on specific things.
That'll be fun.
Or if y'all have questions again, throw those out here and we can always come back and try to answer those too. So,
awesome.
Thanks so much.
Thank
Talk
you.
to you later.
Bye.